Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today going to be performing some car detailing, auto detailing, waxing, paint correction on this Maserati 334. All right, so the thing that a lot of you may be wondering is what makes this car so special? Well, the process of the way that these cars are painted, dip these cars into a large vat of paint, and then it is painted and coated through electrolysis. What has happened to this vehicle since it's been shipped from overseas is that someone took a rotary buffer to it and left holograms in here. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Now I'm gonna take off this polish. I'm gonna come back in here, and the same thing goes for here, right around this area here, just from people reaching in and grabbing, causes some very, I guess you say some micro scratches, some surface scratches that's just in the clear coat in the very top part of it. But since this paint is so soft, it's not going to take much correction to remove those. And in this kind of situation, it's less is more when you're dealing with a vehicle like this, as far as aggression with using a product or pad or machine. Now I'm going over this with solids. And what's happening is, instead of actually taking material off, we're going to be actually adding oils to the paint. I'm going to be going over with the wax, melting it in my hands, and I'm going to massage it onto and into the pores of the paint. Everybody, so just wrapped up with this Maserati 334, number 1 of the run, and as you can see, turned out absolutely gorgeous, beautiful. Got this chameleon paint. It's kind of blue, kind of green. It's gorgeous, and I know the camera's picking it up. 4K, 5.3K. You can see that 334. It's a run. Do your research.